Orphaned and street children are at a high risk of malnutrition due to poor economic status, less medical and social care. And in being so, we believe that every child deserves the opportunity to live a healthy, productive life. And there is nothing more life-changing than providing a young child with a family and education.
Wageni karibuni, wageni karibuni, wageni wetu.
Now on Quietway is a project. We unterstützen Kinder ohne Eltern, die Kinder, die auf die Straße einmal lebt.
Over 90% of orphans in the world live in developing countries.
I support the kids because they don't have anywhere to go, they don't have parents. So I try to help them to get, I want to give them a future. If they don't have what to eat, then they die. So I want them to grow up healthy and then get education.
Most of them are orphaned from HIV/AIDS and poverty. With no one to care for them, many of these children suffer from hunger and malnutrition.
Children who have no parents, they have no proper food. So they get diseases which are resulted from not eating well. So we are talking about feeding, and we want to expand our program to give nutrients to the children so that they don't get sick.
Malnutrition is a condition that results from eating a diet in which one or more nutrients are either not enough or are too much, such that the diet causes health problems.
The kids that are affected, the smaller ones, from 3 years to 8 years, they get sick very easily, more than the older ones.
School-going children are particularly vulnerable to undernutrition, as the priority in nutrition interventions is often to prevent malnutrition during fetal development and the first years of life. Recognizing the long-term physical, emotional, social, and economic effects of malnutrition, hunger, and poverty on the orphaned and vulnerable children, Quietway emphasizes on teaching older children how to practice agricultural production, which includes planting and harvesting crops.
We have decided to farm, to invest in farming, because we need not to buy so much food, and we decided to keep animals, dairy animals. We have already animals. We have 12 cows, which are donated from different people, and we are building this shelter here, cow shed, so that we can bring our cows here to protect them and to get our milk here for the children, to support our nutrition, our feeding program. And milk is one of the healthiest food. When we give the kids, they won't get sick.
Dairy farming is a type of agriculture that is focused on producing milk. Milk can be used to produce dairy products, including cheese. Species commonly used are cows. But as for Quietway Children's Home Project in Kakamega, it provides nutritional needs for children through constant supply of milk. It also equips young people with leadership and technical skills in dairy husbandry, agribusiness management.
They're going to take care of the animals, and the kids will also get involved because they'll come here to help to learn agriculture, to help them to learn many other things from what they are doing here. Feed the animals, help in the garden, and this is also a learning program for them.
The farm animals provide the malnourished orphans with proteins in the form of eggs and milk.
dairy farming will benefit the children. We will get milk, and they will drink porridge every morning mixed with milk. So that is already vitamin. And then we're going to give them milk in the evening sometimes. And the small one, like the babies, they'll drink also a cup of milk. And this will also eradicate malnutrition like kwashiorkor and other diseases that affect the kids when they are still underage.
This in turn promotes quality supplementary feeding among babies and children rescued with their mothers within the children's home.
The plan is we want to expand this dairy project because it is the mother of everything, to feed a community, to feed children. When they are healthy, they can go to school, they can learn, they can be really a future citizens of the country.
They also learn how to feed, breed, manage disease, and keep record in all areas of animal production.
We just want to expand, for example, get more cows, plant more crops. And if we expand, we get more sponsors to expand. In future, we can also sell. Then we are self-employed. We can get money from the product, and we can buy something else in the home where the kids are, so that we are sustainable. We don't have to rely only money coming in to buy food and eat it, but we'll have money coming from our own dairy project on the compound.
They are also taught to use manure as fertilizer. The children learn sustainable techniques to produce basic food crops and learn how to organically produce garden vegetables and fruits.
And this is very important because we would like to expand these programs there, so that in future they can also train other children or other people from outside, and this will earn us also money for our home, so that we can also do other things.
Ich heiße Armin Huth, ich bin das 3. Mal hier in Kenia und dieses Jahr geht es darum, für unser Projekt ein neues Kuhhaus zu bauen. Wir sind hier direkt auf der Baustelle, die Arbeiten laufen seit einem Tag. Wir sind jetzt gerade dabei, die Grundplatte auszubauen, die Armierung. Morgen wird dann der Beton gemacht und dann geht es auch schon ans Mauern. Und wir denken, dass innerhalb von ein paar Tagen der Bau immer stetig vorangeht und dann irgendwann auch mal das Dach drauf kommt. Das wird dann noch zu Ende ausgebaut alles. Ja, also wir kommen sehr gut voran. Das Team ist gut. Wir arbeiten Hand in Hand mit unseren kenianischen Freunden. Alles soweit okay.
Thank you, my Lord. I didn't know you will favor me this way. I didn't know you will favor me this way. I didn't know you will favor me this way. Favor me this way. Thank you, my Lord. I didn't know you will bless me this way. I didn't know you will bless me this way. I didn't know you will bless me this way. Bless me this way. Thank you, my Lord. 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 Thank you, my Lord.
As we grow and increase our impact on the ground, and circumstances change in Kenya, we see our future focusing more and more on helping families provide a better care and supporting young adults as they aspire to build brighter futures.
We have the home where the kids sleep, where they live, and then we have the training center, the vocational center, where we have carpentry, tailoring, and computer. We want the kids to learn from there, the background, the foundation of these, whatever is going on, so that they have a basic foundation in their future careers, whatever they want to choose.
The vocational training program established 2 years ago has helped to skill youths and women for employment by promoting vocational training, life skills, entrepreneurial, and business management, which ensures curriculum addresses labor marketing skills demanded.
So we are set to expand and get more beneficiaries from here and there.
Vocational workshops of computer, electrical, hairdressing, tailoring, and carpentry have enhanced and nurtured the potential of each trainee to become competitive, skilled, creative, self-confident, and the entrepreneurial entities in our society for sustainable development.
The feeling is great and exciting when we come around with the sponsors. Children are excited, and those who are also helping are also excited, and they have a lot of hope because somebody is coming around here to help, and they are also ready to learn. So the feeling is very positive, and I think I'm also happy about this.
The definition of joy describes the children in the home perfectly. A home of hope and love. A place to come just as you are and never leave the same. A place you instantly become family.
Children who have not been reached yet, I give them encouragement to also have hope. And when the kids have nobody, actually they cannot just have hope. I feel people who help, they're the people to reach the kids. For example, if they are living somewhere in the street, to get them, to bring them to a place where they can be helped and encourage them to learn.
This project is about more than just feeding children and providing them with an education, but about changing their lives, including your own. Giving them a solid chance in life and bringing glimpses of heaven on earth.
Ich bin das zweite Mal hier in Kakamega im Waisenhaus von Our Quietway. Und ich muss sagen, ich bin hier aufgenommen worden, als sei ich überhaupt noch nicht weg gewesen. Kinder waren nett, die Frauen haben mich erkannt und ich habe mich auch gleich wieder zu Hause gefühlt. Und jetzt verbringe ich meine Tage, indem ich mit den Kindern bastle, Lego spiele, Spiele mache oder andere Unternehmungen. Jetzt zum Beispiel wollen wir gerade falten.
And every year, they all have a chance to be together with their sponsors.
I'm the first time here in Kenya in this project in our own quiet way, and I feel good here, and I believe the children feel also very good, and they get enough to eat, they can play, they have a good education, and I think it's good. But we need, in this project, we need more money, because not only given clothes or toys, we need more money to buy the food for the children, to buy shoes for or the uniform for the school.
These children have so much joy, and they now have hope, support, and someone who not only believes in them, but also helps them pursue their purpose and calling. What greater gift in life could amount to this?
I would like to thank the sponsors who have supported this project from the beginning up to now. Those who are visiting, I'm very grateful. And I will ask them to support more, because we need a lot of money, finances, to expand the project in all directions. And I will also ask them to come and visit us, so that at least they can see what's going on, what we are doing here. I'm very grateful for everybody who is involved. Thank you very much.
There are those who despise the poor people around them, those who live in permanent sadness for them, those who try to shut it out, those who are motivated to act to improve the situation, and those who have resigned to the fact that life isn't fair. And there are people who have and who don't. In reality, most of us have all these feelings at different times. And as children, as young as we can see, battle with their conditions they are in, even with a little support from well-wishers. If not all, some of us wonder how hard it is for those who haven't been reached out for in their poor homes. How they try to survive with empty stomachs. Most families struggling to buy clothes, pay tuition, have shelter, and have a warm meal every day. And how they are exposed to danger, and even through their search for better lives, it remains elusive. All the children have dreams and aspirations. Given the chance, they can be important people in the society.
Thank you.